Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we can discuss division of fractions. Before we going to start division of fractions, students just remember the multiplicative, inverse, or reciprocal. So we already discussed multiplication of a fraction. How we do in multiplication of fractions? We do numerator to numerator into denominator by denominator, we get the product. But in the case of division, it's too different. First we can start by, so in division of fractions have three cases. One is division of fraction number by whole number, the division of whole number by fraction number, and division of fractional number to fractional number. These are the three cases we have to going to solve in the fraction division. First case, the division of fractional numbers by a whole number. Look here, division of a fractional number by a whole number. For example 1, divide 3 by 5 by 9. Here 3 by 5 is a fraction and 9 is a whole number. So when we going to solve in the division, the whole number comes means, so it's only a numerator. So 9 is only a numerator, that means denominator have 1. It's a understood. So ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So write here solution 3 by 5 as it is divided by 9, that is 3 by 5 divides 9 will be written as 9 by 1. 9 by 1 is nothing but 9. 1 ones are 1, 9 ones are. So you get again 9, but 9 is nothing but 9 by 1. Now this term that means RHS term, we want to this divide to this division to we convert multiplication. ಈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ನಾವು ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ multiplication symbol. See 3 by 5 as it is, 9 by 1 will be written as its reciprocal is 9 by 1 reciprocal ಏನು 1 by 9. ನೋಡಿ, numerator goes to denominator, here denominator goes to numerator, that means the reciprocal of 9 is 1 by 9. 9 nothing but 9 by 1 is 1 by 9. Now we know to multiply these terms. We can know the multiplication of fractions. See 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 5 nines are 45. Again you can divide 3 ones are 3, 15s are. So the final answer is 1 by 15. So like that we can solve. See another one example. Divide 4 1 by 2 by 3. So here have only improper fraction, but in this case it is a mixed fraction. Before we can going to solve the problem, mixed fraction convert to improper fraction. See 4 divided by 1 by 2 divides 3. So we can convert this mixed to improper fraction. How? 2 into 4, denominator to whole number plus numerator. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 divides 3. Again 3 is nothing but 9 by 2 divides 3 is nothing but you can written 3 by 1. Now this 3 by 1 its reciprocal is 1 by 3. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವೋ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 9 by 2 into 3 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 3. So 9 ones are 9, 2 3s are 6. Again 3 2s are 3 3s are. So the final answer is 3 by 2. So like that, this is the first case to solve a fraction number by a whole number. Let's move on. Okay, we already discussed this. This is the second case. Division of a whole number by fractional number. ಸೊ ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ is same. You write 8 by 4 1 by 2. This mixed fraction convert to improper fraction. The 4 1 by 2 improper fraction convert to 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Now rewrite 18 divides 9 by 2. So 18 is nothing but 18 by 1, 9 by 2, right as it is. 18 by 1, it's 9 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 9. Now 18 2s are 36, 9 1s are 9. Again you cancel this, 9 1s are 9 4s are. So answer is 4. See second example. A cable of length 32 meter is cut into some piece. A cable of length 32 meter is cut into some piece, each of length 6255 meter. Find the number of piece. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ, ಒಂದು ವೈರು, ಕೇಬಲ್ ವೈರು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಉದ್ದ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 32 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 62/5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪೀಸು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ 32 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ 6/2/5 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಕೇಬಲ್ ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ 32 ಮೀಟರ್. Length of the each piece is 62/5 meter. 32 divides 62/5. This convert to improper. 32/1 divides 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 2 32/5. Now you can write this reciprocal. 32/1 5/32. Its reciprocal is 5/32. You multiply 32 into 5 is 160 and 1 into 32 is 32. So 32 ones are 32 5s are. So the answer is 5 meter. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪೀಸಿನ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಪೀಸ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಪೀಸ್ ಅದು ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, division of fraction by another fraction number. This is the last case. For example, look here not have any whole number, both are fraction, 3/2 3/5 by 2/5. So you write as it is, 3/5 divides 2/5. 3/5 again its reciprocal is 5/2. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Again you divide this, 5 2s are 5 3s are. So 2 3/2. Again this convert to mixed fraction, it happens 1/2. How you convert? 2 divides 3, right? 2 divides 3, the quotient is 1 and 1 is remainder, in 2 is divisor. So you know to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Like that, the second example, divide 6 2/5 by 1 3/5. Both are mixed fraction. Convert to improper fraction, it happens 32/5 divides 8/5. Again 32/5, right as it is. This reciprocal you can write multiplication 5/8. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ division ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು multiplication ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 8/5 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು 5/8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 32 into 5 is 160, 5 8s are 40, 41s are 44s are. So answer is 4. Like that we can solve the division by all three cases. So students, I hope all of you understand this division of fraction. Thank you.